Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today I'm going to be talking about this custom VK rear bar that we've made. But before I do that, if you could hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. So this customer came to us with a VK Wagon and he wanted a Group A rear bar, which he told me that he couldn't find anywhere, and he asked us if we could custom make something. So this is where we came in. We got the sedan bar and then we modified through the center here, and we modified the edges. It's just resting here at the moment. We haven't fitted it up yet, but that's going to be our job this afternoon. So what we ended up doing is we ended up cutting it through here. We fabricated sections to go in there to line up against the body. We had it sitting perfect. Then we pulled it off the car. It sort of needed to be stretched on there, but that's not ideal for molding because then you're molding in the wrong position. So what we ended up doing was we made up a template out of timber and we copied the section here where it fits up against, and then we pressed it up against our pattern so it was sitting in the right position so we could mold off it in the correct position. The way that this rear spoiler bolts on is it bolts on at the front of the guard here, comes around and attaches into the bumper bar, and that'll also have some dobs of silicone around it just to make sure it doesn't move the rest of it. Or the other way you could do it is you could actually glass in some tabs and then mount it. You could actually mount it into the bumper bar, but it's a little bit hard. I don't think you can get to the inside, so that'd be a little bit tricky. But there's a number of different ways you can do it, but the way that I'd go about it is mounting at the front and using dobs of silicone around the edge just to tack it in position. Now we've got our final piece, which is about to get fitted, and it's come up looking really good. It fits the car really well, and the customer's going to be over the moon. This is going to be a product we can sell. We've put a lot of hours into it, but it's going to be worth it because there'll be other people that'll want this custom bar for the VK Wagon. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll talk to you on the next video.